In this video, I want to show you how to reset this Weiser SmartCode lock, okay? So you want to reset your lock if it's not working properly. Also, if you want to remove all existing codes and set new ones, then you want to reset the lock, okay? So to reset this lock, the first step is to go to the interior assembly, okay? Next, you want to remove the battery cover. This is the cover right here. Slide the cover up and remove it, okay? So what you want to do now is to press and hold the programming button for 15 seconds, okay? This is the programming button right here, okay? So you want to press and hold it for 15 seconds, okay? So let's go. Keep holding. Okay, once you hear that long beep, release it. Now press it once more. Okay, the reset is complete, okay? So what you want to do next is to perform the door handing detection. Whenever you reset this lock, the first thing you want to do is to perform the door handing detection. This is going to teach the lock the orientation of your door, as your lock needs to know if your door is a right or left-handed door, okay? So make sure you don't skip this step because your lock might not work properly if you don't do this, okay? So to run the door handing, what you want to do first is to press the programming button once. Okay, now go to the keypad, press 0 and hit the lock button. Okay, so you can see the movement of the bolt. The bolt has extended and retracted to learn the orientation of the door. So the door handing process is complete. So now you can set user codes to unlock your door from the outside, okay? This lock allows you to set up to 50 user codes, okay? So to set a user code, the first step is to go to the interior assembly and press the programming button. Okay, now you want to press 1 and hit the lock button. Now enter your code, 4 to 8 digits, okay? So mine here is going to be 7788. Hit the lock button. Okay, you're going to hear a long beep and see a green flash here, meaning your code has been added, okay? So you can use this code to unlock your door from the outside. Let's test it. Hit this button to lock. Okay, to unlock, let's enter the code. Okay, so you can see the code is active, okay? So if you want to remove a code, the first step is to go to the interior assembly and press the programming button. Okay, press 2 and hit the lock button. Now enter the code you want to remove. Hit the lock button. Enter the code again. Hit the lock button. Okay, you're going to hear a long beep and see a green flash here, meaning the code has been removed, okay? So let's test it to confirm. Hit this button to lock. Okay, now to unlock, let's try the code we just removed. Okay, so you can see it's not working. The code has been removed, okay? So that's it. That's how to reset and reprogram this lock. I hope this video helps you. And if so, please consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.